Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Explore the boundless potential of Phantom, a groundbreaking application poised to revolutionize your digital interactions. Located at https://phantom.app, this innovative platform seamlessly bridges the gap between users and the ever-evolving landscape of Web3. Phantom isn't merely a connection point, it's a comprehensive gateway designed to empower users in navigating the complexities of decentralized applications, dApps, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the broader blockchain ecosystem. By providing a secure and user-friendly interface, Phantom simplifies intricate processes, enabling both newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts to interact with Web3 with ease. One of Phantom's key strengths lies in its ability to securely manage digital assets. Acting as a robust and dependable digital wallet, the application allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies and NFTs with confidence. Furthermore, its integrated staking features offer users the opportunity to participate in network governance and earn rewards while supporting the blockchain they believe in. Beyond its core functionalities, Phantom provides seamless integration with a wide array of decentralized applications. This interoperability unlocks a universe of possibilities, from participating in decentralized finance, DeFi protocols to exploring the vibrant world of NFT marketplaces and engaging in immersive metaverse experiences. With its intuitive design and robust security measures, Phantom is more than just a wallet, it's your trusted companion in navigating the exciting and rapidly expanding world of Web3. Visit https://phantom.app today and begin your journey into the future of the Internet. Unlock a new realm of possibilities with Phantom. Experience the power of Web3 simplified.